Hello again, I'm Mike from MikesCarpentryPlus. This is video 2 of a total remodel job. And yesterday, or the last video, I was going to take the siding off, did a kind of a walk around inside and outside the home. And as you can see behind me, I got almost all of the siding off, and today I'm going to show you how to use expanding foam. I know it sounds simple and everybody ought to know how to do it, but if you've never used it before, I would encourage you to watch this video, since if you get that stuff on you, it's really nasty and hard to get off. So it probably wouldn't be a bad idea to even have some rubber gloves, some cheap throwaway latex or something, and be real careful with this stuff. So all you need is a couple cans of this expanding foam and some paper towels. And since the foam comes out faster to begin with, you want to fill the big holes first and shake it up good. And when you go to buy it, on the bottom of the can, it has a date on it, used by best by whatever date, and take a look at those dates and get the freshest cans, because it doesn't last forever. And shake it up good, tear the plastic off, take the cap off, screw this little tube on top, get it on there good, and I'm going to fill the big holes first and watch me work. Wipe it off every once in a while with your paper towel. Mouse hole right there. Okay, that's it. That's one can down. I'll probably take another can to get all the cracks and holes filled. And don't even touch this stuff. Don't even get it on your clothes. Keep this wiped off so it doesn't drip on you. I'm just telling you, this stuff's really nasty to get. It's hard to get off, and you don't even want it on your fingers or your clothes or the ground or anywhere. If you get some on the ground, if you're going to be, if there's heavy traffic in that area, go ahead and wipe it up with a paper towel right then. And if it's not, then just let it harden, and then you can pick it up and throw it away then. Like some just fell out of the tube right there. But that's it. I'm not going to show you the second can. I'm Mike from MikesCarpentryPlus, and these videos are for friends and family, and I need to keep that on there. But if you have a cat or dog, please get them spayed in or neutered. If you want to get one, please go to your local animal shelter and rescue an animal. Also, if you cage your animals, please don't leave them in a cage any more than 4 or 5 hours. It's a lot better to have them on a chain outside if possible, or a fenced in area, even better. But anyway, just a thought. But just love your animals just like you do your kids. So anyway, I'm Mike from MikesCarpentryPlus, and I'll see you in video 3. Bye.